So to find the slope, I need 2 points. X, we say that is x1, y1, and this one is x2, y2. And in order to find the slope, we say that x is equal to delta y over delta x. It's mean the difference of y over the difference of x. Difference of y, I mean that I have to go from 5 to -6. So I rise or run? Rise, like the sun. So the slope is the rise over what? I have to go now from x to x. So over what? Right.
You went from 5 to 5?
From x to x, I'm walking from x to x, so I'm running. But if I'm walking from y to y, like the sun is rising. So that's rise over run. This is what we talk about it now. Just to understand it. Okay? Now, later on in physics, you have something which is like rate of change. Rate of change like what? The difference of distance over the difference of time. Difference of distance, like I was at, like the car. The car is moving from the origin, from 0 up to 5 meters. So this is what? This is the distance. When I start walking, I'm walking from 0 time, and I reached the place after 10 seconds. Okay? So now, what is the distance? The difference in distance. I started from 0, I reached 5. So what's the difference here? 5 minus 0. Over. The change in time. After how many seconds did I reach my destination? 10. So the difference in time is 10. So the rate of change here, which is half, this one, later on, you will find that this is a speed. So like speed in physics, it's an application of the slope in math. And then you have some more examples. No. Just how to relate math to physics. Okay, so rate of change, this means what? The slope. So this is how they find the slope, or they found using a slope in a difference of y over difference of x, difference of the distance over difference of time, in order to find the speed. Okay, and the most important thing that is the slope is difference of y over the difference of x. That's what we talk about it later. Now then, here we have these examples. Now let's solve number 17. Yeah, number 17. No, just how you will find the slope. Who can tell me? Yes, yeah. There's that. Lara. Right. Okay. Right. How you find the slope? Yes, yeah, Mayar. And it's mean delta y over delta x. Okay, so where's the y here? -3 and 6. Bravo. So you will say -3 minus 6 over. Where's the x, ya Amwaj? It's okay. Now, Mayar said from -3 to 6. Now, yes, ya Amwaj. What's the difference of 6 and -3? Bravo. Now, -3 minus 6, -9, bravo. And 6 plus 3, 9. So what is the slope here? It's -1. That's it now?
You know, I made it 1 over -1.
It's the same. Yes, bravo. So this is for number 17. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Do you remember now how we'll find the slope? Right. Now, let's see here some cases like if we have the slope.
I have a question.
What? What did you say, Maria?
Teacher, I have a question. I didn't understand something.
Which one?
Can you get back to the slide before? Yes, teacher, number 17 in the slope.
Okay.
Yeah, teacher, because I was absent in between like 3 days before, and I was on a travel. Okay, so teacher, can you just explain it one more time because I didn't get it.
Miss Hella, you must watch the video before you come to this because you were absent. But I will repeat it for you. The slope here, it's the formula. Okay, it's delta y over delta x. Where is the y? Here is x, here is y. Here is x, here is y. So where is the y here? The -3 and this x. So you will say -3 minus 6 over, where is the x? This is the x. And this is the second one. You will say now 6 minus -3. Then -3 minus 6 is -9, or 6 plus 3 is 9. But you have to rewatch the video because we talk about it more than 40 minutes. So you must watch it and understand more. Let's come back here now. Sometimes they give me now a point, which I told you now, like in order to find a slope, I need 2 points in order to find the slope. Sometimes they give me the slope, they give me 1 point, and they ask me find another point. Let's see. So I will repeat. In this case here, they give me what is the slope. Like here, it's 3 over 5. So they give me what is the slope. They give me 1 point, and they ask me now to find the second point. What do I have to do? See, I will explain it. Let's see what we have to do here. Now, what is the slope here? It's 3 over 5. Now, we say that the slope is 3 over 5. It's given. A line with the slope 3 over 5. So that means the slope is 3 over 5. Now, the slope, what did we say for the slope? We explain it by 2 things. Or rise over what? Over run, bravo. So this is the rise. This is the run. This is the delta y. This is the delta x.
How did you know
It's which you found the slope y, delta y over delta x. So the number that's written up is delta y. The number that's written down is delta x. Rise like the sun is rising.
How did you know that the tree is rising?
No, I'm not telling you.
We said rise over run. So
See, I didn't understand your question. Repeat it.
before you said that, when you know that this is
Okay. Delta y over delta x.
Yeah. You know that if it's rising or
Run.
from X to X.
Did you understand what I mean by rise or run?
Yeah.
Okay.
But how you know
Okay. What is the formula of the slope? It's delta y over delta x. Is it right? And it's a slope, rise over run. Did you remember these 2 things now? If you have now 3 over 5, so that's me. Delta y is 3, delta x is 5. Or the rise is 3 and the run is 5. That's it. Yes, always. Bravo. That's why you didn't understand. Hello, what are the formulas of the slope? Rise over run or y over x. Is it right? Here, what's the number that I have? 3 over 5. Okay, 3 over 5. Now, y over x was 3 over 5. So that's mean delta y is 3 and delta x is 5. This one, okay? The down is the same. Delta y, it's a rise. Like the sun, how is rising. which this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. So if you change a point from this point to this point, like the sun, how is rising? If you change your destination from this point to this point, you are running. Okay? Now, so 3 over 5, that's mean delta y is 3 and delta x is 5. This is given from the question. The second step, I told you now, it's give you 1 point and I need to find the second one. What do I have to do? Now, look at me how to solve it. We have -1, -1. This is a point that is given. Okay, Layal, stop writing. Look at me. The given number is -1, -1. I told you that delta y is 3. Where's the y here? -1 or the first or the second one? The second one. So I will add 3 here because the 3 is a change of y. Okay? A change of y, that's mean. Where is the y coordinate? The second one. I will add 3 down. And where is the x? 5. Where is the x coordinate here? It's 5. So I will add 5 down. Now, after I added them, I will get my new coordinate. Like -1 plus 5, 4. -1 plus 3, 2. So the second point will be 4, 2. If you try to solve it in your mind, and as an example, if you don't know the slope, if you want to check that's your answer correct or no, what you have to do, let's see, 2 minus -1, 3. Minus -1, 5. So my answer is correct. So the first step, I will say that this is my slope. It's given 3 over 5. So the number that is in the numerator, it is the delta y, and it's the denominator, it's the delta x. Then where is y? I add it to the x coordinate. Where is x? I add it to the y coordinate. Then I get the new point. This will be my point. I will solve another example. Yeah, let's solve stuff. Did you this one I don't know if it's right written or not. Let's go now. Yes, so يلا هذه yes that's it.
So the next now here the 3 is y, so you put it here, and the 5 is 5.
It's delta x. You put under the x coordinates. Yeah.
You add them. So the second point is 5.
4, 2. That's it. Yes. Yeah. Yalla, shall I solve another example now? Yalla, I will solve with you now number 18. Okay, then I will let you solve number. It's the same. Now I will solve 18, then I will solve the other examples. Now the first one. If the slope is represented by letter m. Okay, if you say m, I will say here that's the m. The slope, m is a slope. It's a delta y over delta x. M is mean for the slope. Now, if m is 4, the slope is 4. 1 point, go throw 1, 3. What do I mean? Like I have a line. One of the points is 1, 3. And the second point, I don't know. What do you have to do? Here, I have only 4, but I don't have the numerator. So what do I have to write down? 1, bravo. So now I rewrite it as a numerator over denominator. The second step, I will write my point as 1, 3. Where is the x coordinate? This is the x coordinate. And here is the y coordinate. Now, the y coordinate, so I will add
4 plus 3.
delta y to the y coordinate. This is the first step. The second one, I will add the delta x to the x coordinate. The rules. Now, where is the y coordinate here? Is it 1 or 3? 3. So
3.
we say that the 3 is the y coordinate. Now let's go up. Where is the delta y? Is it 4 or 1? 4.
1.
I told you now. I told you now, add the delta y to the y coordinate. This is the y coordinate, which is 3. I will add it what? To 4. Here, 1. This is what 1? X coordinate. The x coordinate.
She didn't do anything. She didn't do anything. Look, she only looked.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Oh. The upper one is y.
Teacher, can you make this one?
Okay.
Because he doesn't say what.
Oh, okay.
Done.
So, under the x coordinate and the y coordinate, I will add delta y. Under the x coordinate, what do I have to add? Where is delta x? 1. Then 1 plus 1, with 3 plus 4. So the second point is what? 2, 7. No, wait. Layal, did you understand it? Why? Joanne, Joy. Yes, Layal. Yeah, just a minute. Yes, yeah. Only what? Hala, did you understand this step? 4 over 1, yani 4 is delta y, 1 is delta x. 1. I need to write it as a fraction, but the number is 4. So what I have to do, I will write it under 1. And 4 over 1. It's still 4, but I write it as a numerator over denominator. You? Yes, I will write under now in the denominator 1. I didn't make any change, but I rewrite a whole number as a fraction in order to make it as y over x. Okay? After that, where is delta y? 4. Add it to y. Where is delta x? 1. Add it to x. Delta x is 1. Delta y is 4. Where is the y coordinate? The second number, 3. I will add 4 to the 3. And where is the y coordinate? The x coordinate? 1. Where is the delta y? It's also 1. I will add 1 to it. That's it. Make it plus. Just a minute.
I am nearer to the teacher. Excuse me. I am nearer to the back to your desk. Teacher, please. I rarely answer.
Sit down. خلاص جولي. Did you finish writing? Did you finish writing?
Number 19 of
Yeah, Serene.
21.
Teacher, the part is from him.
Teacher,
Yes.
can I try to answer number 19 or 20 or 21?
Okay, I will let you. What's your name?
Tammy.
Eh?
Tammy.
Tammy. Okay. Yes. Serene. Yeah. 3.
اشرح واحد
two, 3 ولا 3 2؟ 2 3. لا why are you distracting? لا you don't have to write.
Teacher, I didn't even review the steps. I just did it.
What? Give it back pencil. Grade 1. Bravo, thank you. Thank you. So now, she said that it's the slope is 3/2. So this is the delta y and this is the delta x. So she adds to y the delta y, to x the delta x, and the answer is correct. Thank you.
أنا صرت 3 عنوان بس واضح صح يا الله كثير ميزات جيد جدا
أمواج. If the slope is -1/5 and the point is 7, -2. Yeah, tell them. Now here, -1/5. So where's the y? This is the y and this is the x. Yeah, continue. 21. لا, number which one is? Number 20. 20 والله. 20. 5 لا -1 plus -1. Here is -1. يلا continue.
Teacher, is this correct?
Just a minute. Come. You, please help. 7 plus 5, 11. Hello. 7 in your mind, 5 in your fingers. What after 7?
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
So come back. 12. Okay, the second one. لا, 12 is the. Okay, yeah. 12. Will y? Y1. -2 minus 1. -3. Bravo. Negative. So the answer is 12 -3. If it's multiple choice. But it's here -1. Here. It's okay. Now, yes, Tammy, number 21.
Okay, teacher. We have 5.
Number 21.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Tammy. The slope here is 5/4. Throw 5, 4.
Teacher. Then we will add, teacher, 4 to 5 and 5 to 4.
Bravo.
It will be 9, 9.
And here is delta y and here is delta x. Delta y is what? 5. You will
5.
add it. Bravo. What delta x is?
4.
So the new coordinate is?
9.9.
No, thank you. Number 19. Number 19, it was 2, 3. And here it was 12 negative.
Wait, teacher, if it's negative 1 over 5, so we will do negative 5 is 7 plus negative 5. Because it's negative, negative. Okay, if Jane went with teacher, he said that it's negative 1 over 5.
Okay.
Okay, and then 7 and negative 2.
Hmm.
Okay, so خلاص we did negative 3, and then we will see this one. So it will be also negative 5 because negative, negative.
Okay, so you will find another point.
Yeah, negative 5. So we will do
2, negative 1.
yes, so
It will be another point. Yeah.
it will be 2.
No. هلا if you say that it is هلا 1 negative 1 over 5 or 1 over negative 5, they are the same.
Teacher, but here it's in the middle. Yeah.
It's okay. It means negative 1 over 5 or 1 over negative 5.
Oh.
And then the negative sign, well, it's okay. It's mean when I put it out, it's mean it is for the numerator or the denominator. Okay, so if you use negative 1 over 5, you will get a new point, which is 12 negative 3. If you use 1 over negative 5, which is the same as negative 1 over 5, you will add here negative 2, you will add here 7. It comes like negative 1, negative 12, negative 1.
Wait, teacher, I have a question.
This is another point, so I can find 2 points. You say 12, no, negative 1. It's different. Here I said negative 12, negative 1.
Teacher, I have a
So
question.
both of them, if you find the slope between them, you must get negative 1 over 5.
Teacher,
Yes.
now this one will be equal to 4, right? Because you added 5 and negative 1. So it'll be 4.
Why 4?
This one 4.
Negative 1 plus negative 2.
No, no, this one.
5 plus 7. I told about this one. This is another example. Right, it's okay.
5 plus negative 1. It's 4.
Okay.
It's 4.
Oh.
Now here, negative 5 plus 1 equals
Negative 5 plus 1, negative 4.
the negative sign. Don't see it. Teacher, but which one has the negative
Now, if they solve the first one or the second one, both of them are correct. But if they are multiple, no, different, okay. But that's mean you will. I need like it's like this. One is 7 negative 2, one is 12 negative 3, and one is negative 12 negative 1. If you find the slope between these 2 points, you will find that's negative 1 over 5. Between these 2 points, you will find that's negative 1 over 5. Got it now?
Teacher.
Yes.
If you give it to us and you give us A and 12 and negative 3, B is
No, it's not. It will not happen.
nothing.
It will not happen. يلا. Do you have any questions now? طيب.
Can I answer? That is asking. Please. Teacher, tomorrow let's say.
Do you want to ask me or answer? Answer what? Answer the telephone. Answer the telephone.
I want to ask.
Ask who?
Can I answer?
طب later. Did you finish
Teacher,
writing?
teacher,
Yes.
teacher, did you miss me?
Yes. Can you raise your voice, please?
Did you miss me?
No.
Yes.
No.
Where are you going back?
Tomorrow, inshallah.
والله العظيم يا رب. طيب now طيب now let's start with a new module which is module 4. Yeah, let's start now with a new module, module 4, lesson 1. Okay, which talking about the relations and functions. What do I mean by relation? طيب. It's okay. The relation is a set of ordered pair, x and y. What do I mean? Like, just a minute now. Now, if we have x plus I know. Yeah. So now.
My mouth is open.
Now, if I have like x plus y equals 2, we said that in order to solve it, we must make a table x, y, and find it. Like if x is 1, y is what? 1. If x is 2, y is what? 0. If x is 0, y is what? 2. If x is half, y is what? 3/2, and so on. Now these numbers, they are what? Ordered pair. One, 1, 2, 0, 0, 2, 1, 3/2, half. Sorry, 3/2. They are what? Ordered pair. That's it. Now, the set of these ordered pair that they have a relation, or they have an let's like this. No, if there's these points, they have a relation. What is the relation? That is, all of them is a solution of x plus y equals 2. So all of these ordered pair, which they are having a set of input and output. Where is the input? X, bravo. X, that if I enter x, I get y. If I put milk and Nescafe as an example, I will make cup of Nescafe. So the input here is the milk as the Nescafe, and the coffee as an example. The output is a Nescafe. Here is the example. If I put x, what I will get? Y. So if you like a machine, you put x, it's going under a function, or under a function, you can say, okay, there's something happening inside a machine, you get y. Exactly. Y depends on x. So x is an input, y is the output. Got it?
Yes.
X is input, out is what? Output. Now let's see that. Today now we will name. Here we have this ordered pair. The values of x, we will call them domain. And the values of y, we call them range. Domain is the x, the range is y. Okay? So let's repeat. Relation is a set of ordered pair, like these numbers. Where is x is input, y is what? Output. X is entered and working under a machine, you give y. Okay. Now, the set of all input for the relation, we call them domain. And the set of y, what we call them? Range. So where's the domain here? Who can give me the numbers of domain? 1, 2, 0, half. The values of x. So the values of x is the domain. So I will say the domain is, this is here between set. You know them, space. Now, domain is, what are the domains here? 1, 2, 0, half. Bravo. These are the domains. This is the domain. Now, what is the range?
1, 0.
What are the values of y? What are the values of y here, ya layal? لا 0. لا this is x. layal, do you know where's x, where's y? The first one is its name ordered pair. What do I mean by ordered? What do I mean by ordered in English? Okay, so it means it has a special range. The first one, it must be x. The second one, it must be y. So the first one, it must be x. And the second one, it must be what? Y. Now, where's the y here? 0. 3/2. So 1 or 0 or 2 or 3/2, these are arranged. But now what's the mean by domain? And it's very important. What do you mean by domain and range?
Okay, but teacher, why they make the domain and range in
Just a minute. Now here, let's have this example. The relation. The relation, it means there's an output, input, there's a relation between them. The relation, it means there's an equation. Later, they are solved and they give me the answer. Now, where's the domain here?
5, 4, 3,
Just
7, 4.
Yes, Mayar, where's the domain? Yes, Mayar. أيوة. Bravo. Where's the range, answer that? 2, 1, 0, 5, 4, and now later on we'll talk about the mamming. Do you have any question? Okay.
Teacher, I know the relationship. 5 minus, no teacher, 1 minus 1. It's written as 3 minus 0.
Yes, bravo.
خلصنا كل شيء الا